Capsule Toy Vending Machine Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global capsule toy vending machine market size will be $359.6 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 11% from 2024 to 2031. North America capsule toy vending machine market size of $143.84 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe capsule toy vending machine market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $107.88 million. Asia Pacific capsule toy vending machine market size of $82.71 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 13% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America capsule toy vending machine market size of $17.98 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa capsule toy vending machine market size of $7.19 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.